Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. It is Saturday morning. It is early, but we've got this glorious EP3 to tune, so it's about to get up on the dyno. We'll do a run. Now, it's been mapped before by us, but it's been reshelled, and we want more pops and bangs and things like that, apparently. So we're going to give it a tune, make sure everything's up to spec, and see how we get on. So here we go. Good morning, all. Well, she's up on the dyno and strapped down, so let's put her through her paces. Hey guys, because you're watching this video, the chances are you probably are a Honda fan. One of the most important things for Hondas is oil. And thankfully, Dynodaze have picked up an awesome sponsor.
Our first sponsor.
Our first sponsor that's relevant. People have been trying to sponsor us milkshakes and ready-made meals and all sorts of nonsense that we're not interested in, but you guys are going to be interested in oil. So, worldoflubricant.co.uk have sponsored us and these videos. And they've got a great deal for you guys on their website. You drop in the code DYNO. I'll put links below and stuff, but you drop the code in DYNO, you get a load of money off. You can spend more money on additives or top-up oils, or you can just save yourself a packet and keep servicing your Hondas, which is what it's all about, ain't it?
Totally. I mean, like I say, great selection, loads of different stuff. It's not just oils. They do different things. There was some anti-seize stuff and whatever when I had a quick look through myself. So, yeah, check them out.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to have one in on a Saturday, Richard.
Yeah, like we said before, we're starting to open up a couple of Saturday slots. We're busy, obviously, after we lost Jensen.
He's not dead. He's just an AA man now.
Yeah, it's just an AA man now. Obviously, we're on back in the workshop more spannering, which is taken away from mapping slots. Obviously, people that generally want map, I won't use the word won't wait, but obviously they're ready. They've done their mods. They want to map the car. So what me and Dan decided to do
Facilitate.
we'll facilitate that. We've booking Fridays solely for mapping. So obviously, if anyone wants a map, it'll be a Friday. Obviously, if someone books in and they do like an exhaust, bits and bobs, and then it's a map, say on a Monday, Tuesday, whatever, we're obviously going to still continue to do that. But we've specifically booked Fridays for maps now. So if you want to get in, it's on a Friday or / a Saturday morning, which we've got opened up slots for. This is one of those cars, basically. So a map on a Saturday morning.
Fantastic. Local lad. Mapped this car before, well, actually...
In 2023, it was
In 2023, we mapped this guy's car, and then he's reshelled it. Obviously found a bit of tin worm and reshelled the car, and came back for a map revision. Wanted bigger flames, wanted a bit more power, and that's exactly what we've done. 231 brake horsepower his car was last time, and we finished today on 238.
Yeah, I mean, it was about 18 months ago when we did the car, so obviously there's been a few revisions for what we're doing and things like that since then, certainly with the launch control and the flames and whatever, so obviously wanted the latest revision of all that. Yeah, got a little bit more power. I'm not sure if, obviously being 18 months ago, I can't remember if that's what the round of mods that it had on it when it was here before.
But we started again now.
But whatever, we started again anyway. Yeah, really happy with that. Made some really nice power, and it's certainly got some nice flames and stuff to have a play around with, ain't it?
Play around with.
Yeah. Should we have a look at that graph?
Let's look at the graph.
Well, there she is. Map revision by Dynodaze. We got ourselves 238 brake horsepower, 201 at the wheels. Not bad at all. It's got no bonnet stay, but it's got a list of modifications that we've mentioned earlier anyway. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we will see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? Indeed. We will indeed.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.